US stocks at risk of another plunge. Whoa! Similar to what was seen in March. Remember where we had that massive sell-off on the coronavirus panic, right? And all those government lockdowns, that's really weighing on market sentiment heavily, okay? It's totally risk-off trading. And you would have seen within recent trading as well, stocks, indices in the United States are coming under some pressure. We're moving back down to the south, unfortunately, okay? I have to stress that is very unfortunate. Now, why is this? Well, a few reasons just to note from my part. We had earlier in the week, Jerome Powell ruling out the idea of negative interest rates. Remember, when a central bank is acting, rate cuts, more stimulus, this is great. Stocks love that. Okay, they benefit. But the fact that he's ruled that out is a little bit of a negative for US stock market. And we're seeing a stronger dollar at the moment, which is weighing on the US stocks. And then, on another side of things, of course, the tensions between US and China remain very much high. They're bubbling, okay? They continue to bubble. We're at risk of another trade war, okay? Very much reigniting and causing a lot of pressure for the riskier assets. And stocks are, as we saw in 2019, were very much impacted when things were fiery between US and China, okay? Because, US stocks are very much exposed to China, okay? They are. They have ties there on a business front. And then, of course, with coronavirus still, the lags are on the US economy as a result of the negative impact from coronavirus is still being felt. The squeeze is still very much existent at the moment as a number of data points continue to show us, which of course is negative for sentiment, riskier assets, US stocks, obviously, unfortunately on the receiving end of that and being pressured to the downside. So we still see some further selling pressure for US stocks. Any rallies or pullbacks that we see are at risk of being sold. We can't rule out a plunge similar to what we saw in March, retesting those lows there. Other than that, guys, look, in terms of daily fundamental and technical analysis, we live and breathe it every single day. Do not hesitate. Check out our membership at freaknetwork.io. Become a member. Stay lit. Let's get it.